All right, let's go back and take a look at what we've done. Can you tell me what we've done today?
We talked about tornadoes.
Tell me all that you know about tornadoes.
It needs dark clouds for it to spin.
These dark clouds. What
It needs
else?
wind for it to spin.
Wind. What kind of wind?
Strong wind.
How strong?
Very strong.
Very strong. Sometimes the winds are so strong they can do what?
Like a make a tornado.
They make a tornado, and when they make tornadoes, what happens? Those winds are so strong they can do what?
Tear down stuff. Pick up stuff.
What kinds of stuff?
Cars, tractors.
Wow. And what else do they do?
They break down stuff.
What types of stuff?
Barns, houses,
Wow. They are so strong they can tear down houses,
buildings,
buildings, and what else can they do?
tear down, pick up cars.
Lots of cars. And what shape are they?
A circle rotation.
In a circle rotation. And when you get that circle rotation, sometimes you can get little ones inside. And what happens when you get those little ones inside?
They crush stuff.
They really can crush stuff. How can you protect yourself?
Go to the cellar or basement.
Oh, a basement. What if you don't have a cellar or a basement?
Go to the lower floor.
Lower floor, somewhere where you can be protected? Is there a certain part of the United States that have more tornadoes than others?
Yes.
What part is that?
Tornado Alley.
Where's Tornado Alley? What state?
Oklahoma.
Oh, how about that? Do we have tornadoes in North Carolina?
No. Yes.
Yes, we do. We had some. Do we have them in Georgia and South Carolina?
Yes.
Yes, in Alabama. What would you do if a tornado came today? What would you do if a tornado came right now?
Go in the house
Good.
and stay on the bottom floor.
Right. What do you do at school in preparation for a tornado? Do you prepare at
Line
school?
up, you go out in the hall and cover our heads.
Show me how you do that. If that was the hallway, what would you do right now?
We go out and cover our heads.
You would squat down like that?
Yeah.
All right. Good demonstration. Tell me why you would cover your head.
So it won't hit your head.
Exactly. And tell me, who tells us when there are going to be tornadoes? How do we know?
The weatherman.
The weatherman. What does he say to us?
There's gonna be a tornado.
Right. And then he tell us what else?
How how bad will it be?
Yeah. Does he tell us if we have to leave our homes or not?
No.
Yes, he does, doesn't he? He'll say, you might need to leave your area. Now, is there anything else that you want to tell me about twisters and tornadoes?
Stay away.
Yeah, try to stay away from twisters and tornadoes. Why? Because they can be what?
Dangerous.
Very, very dangerous. How much time? 13 minutes. All right. Would you like to just take a look around right now at some weather conditions? I can see. How can we tell if the wind is blowing?
If the leaves are moving.
Are those leaves moving? So the wind is moving just a little bit more, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is the wind picking up right now?
No. Yes.
Yes, look at that. Look at those trees. You see that tree moving back and forth? If there was a tornado, how far would those trees be moving?
To the ground.
Almost to the ground. Have you ever seen that happen? Not yet. Aren't we lucky that we don't see that yet? That's very good. Did we read the book about the twister? And I have some pictures that I can show you about twisters. So if you look right here, we can see what. Can you tell me what the farmer's doing right now? What is the farmer doing?
Digging.
Yeah, he's trying to protect all of. He see what's happening right here in this picture. Can you
Tornado.
tell? What does the farmer see
A tornado.
coming? A tornado is coming. Don't use these words. Okay? Tell me about this picture. Tell me about here. What is that all about?
Water spouts.
Can you read that for me?
Twisters out at sea are called water spouts. They whisk up water. The tallest one ever seen was 1 mile high.
How high is a mile? Very high. Is that very high?
Yes.
So look here. Now the twister's still coming. What happened in that picture?
The barn got smashed, and the farmer's trying to get to the cellar.
Good job. Did he get there? And look at that destruction, because tornadoes can be very destructive, can't they?
Yes.
They can cause all kinds of things to happen. Look at that.
Strange showers. When twisters drop things, they be picked up. Strange things can happen. A twister in England caused a shower of frogs.
Oh my goodness, I bet that was funny, huh? A shower of frogs. Can you explain to me what's happening in this picture?
The tornado is tearing everything.
Why? What's going on? Describe what you see in the picture.
The spout.
What's different about those clouds? Do they look like today's clouds?
No.
If we saw this happening right now, what's wrong? What's the difference between this cloud and today's clouds?
Today's cloud is white. That cloud is dark.
Are they dark, or what color are they?
Black.
They are black clouds. If we saw black clouds right now, what would we do? If we looked up into the sky and we saw black clouds like this right now, what would we do?
Go in the house.
Go inside. And once we got inside, what would we do?
Stay in.
Stay inside and get with somewhere that's safe, away from that. Look at that. What's going on in that picture?
A tornado is tearing down houses.
Tearing houses, and everything is what? Blowing where?
In the tornado.
Now, what causes the tornado to blow?
The wind.
And look at our wind right now. Do we have tornado wind right now?
No.
No. Is it a nice cool breeze right now?
Yes.
Does it feel really good right now?
Yes.
Yes, it does. But if the skies turn black like that, and the wind started to blow and you saw things twirling in a circular motion, then we know what we need to do, right?
Yes.
What do we need to do?
Go in the house.
And be safe, seek safety. We need to go inside. So, if we were having a tornado, what would some things we would need for emergency supplies in the house?
Food, drink, flashlights, and a first aid kit.
We would need a first aid kit and food and drinks and a flashlight. Why would we need a flashlight?
So we can see it in the dark.
Why would it be dark?
Because the tornado can fall right on you.
Why would it be dark? What's going to happen to our lights?
They will be cut off.
Why?
Because the electricity will be out.
Why?
Because
The wind.
twister will go and blow them down.
Blow what down?
The electricity.
The power lines, you're right. That's the first thing it does, because that wind blows those power lines down. Do you see those power lines out there? And when it blows the power lines down, then it blows the lights out. So then we're going to need a flashlight. And then we're going to need water, because nothing's going to be working if the tornado comes. Have we had a tornado in Washington? No. Aren't we lucky that we haven't had a tornado in Washington?
Yes.
Did we have a tornado near Washington? Yes. What happened to those people?
They died.
Some people died. What else happened?
Some people are still living.
Some people are still living. What else happened with the towns where they had tornadoes?
The town got